Jatend migao mar pii pacho ka Eric Muridhi muga ochiwo siem ne kembe ma keyo pii kuom chwalo chenro mag pii e rang'iny ma chik dwaro. Kolose kar chung'o od bura ma Mathira e kaunti ma Nyeri e kinde manyorango chenro mar pii mar Iwagi mageto chwalo pii ne anyuola madikal 25 nyokwayo apisas mag arita kwe mondo chiw arita makare ne kembe pii e gwengego. Ma tok fwenyo ni nitie achije moko ma osebedo ka monjo kuonde pii tok gedo margi.
The workmanship has not been very pleasing especially on chambers and tanks, and it's a little bit not up to the standards, design standards. Our engineers and the contractor to look at those sections, and if it's possible, to remedy the works, because we owe it to the people of Nyeri and the people of Kenya value for what they have invested in. We are here with our security officers. We have sensitized them on the need to be vigilant, and also we are calling on all stakeholders, not only in Nyeri, but all over the country, to watch over the water infrastructure for sustainability and future generations to come.